What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, Jean Valencia. Welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-Kim Pao. Yes, after the success of Lin Lang and What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, ngayon merong pelikula ang Kim Pao, and this is entitled My Love Will Make You Disappear. Yes, exciting to. Ito ng official teaser ng Kim Pao for their movie My Love Will Make You Disappear. But before proceed mga ka-Kim Pao, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is guys. ABS-CBN Studios and Star Cinema. Uy, sa Manila to. Why? His love is so messy. Can you just... Kung ang love ay nawawala ng paulit-ulit. Love? Oh, cute. Para siyang rom-com vibe movie at ang innocent ng facial expression ni Kim dito. Naulanan. Ooh, there's Paolo. Ang pogi ni Paolo, kahit na hindi pa pinapakita ang face. Oh my God! Balikan na natin yun. Ang pogi niya dun. Oh, tingnan niyo naman ang itsura ng isang Paolo Abilino, guys. Grabe. Ay! Ba't may ganon? Oh my God, ang team song nila Dilaw. Ay, ang lapit niya na. Sobrang lapit. Grabe, ang lapit nga. Susugal ba ulit? Yung pinakilig, kasi bigla kang iniwanan. Hindi naman pala talaga kilig. Charis. My love will make you disappear. Oh, Chad B. Bedanes is the director. Diba? In cinemas February 12, 2025. Oh my God, nakaka-excite. There you have it guys. That is the official teaser of My Love Will Make You Disappear by Paolo Abilino and Kim Chiu. Kim Pao kasi sasabihin ko. Oh my God. Ano pa lang yun official teaser pa lang guys. Isang eksena lang siya sa tulay. Diba? Kim is having a picnic. Tapos biglang umulan. Diba? Ganun mga storyline ang pakilig natin for this Kim Pao movie. Para siyang rom-com for sure. And parang ito na ba ang bagong yung A Very Special Love 5 kind of movie na inaantay natin from Star Cinema. Na ang ganda kasi 'di ba parang nag-slow motion yung mundo mo, tapos nakita mo siya, tapos biglang hindi ka naman pala papakiligin. Nilayasan ka dahil. Parang umulan lang para lang talaga magkita kayo. Ganun yun. Diba? Nakaka-excite. Abangan natin ang official trailer nito para mas makita natin ang storyline, ang mga plot twist. Bakit ba My Love Will Make You Disappear ang title? Meron bang meaning yan? Ano na yan? And ang ganda ng theme song nila, it's Dilaw by Maki, diba? Sobrang sikat na sa mga Gen Z ngayon. Kaya naman, abangan natin ang official trailer, and sana magkaroon din ng world premiere parang HLA dito sa Malaysia para mapanood natin dito yan sa February, no? Diba naka-excite yun? Kaya i-petition nyo na magkaroon ng world premiere yan para mapanood natin yan dito sa Malaysia. And of course, mga ka-Kim Pao, kung meron pa kayong mga juicy details, i-comment down below nyo lang yan dyan. And of course, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.